Something broken down, someone waiting to turn. Don't block this, don't block this. Are we okay to creep forward now? I think so. Good. We're just going ahead. So, what position should that BMW have taken up with those markings, mate?
Stay in.
It should have stayed in. Yeah, you're absolutely right, mate. Okay. Those markings are there when it's safe and necessary, and that's definitely one of those scenarios where it's necessary. By going on those markings, he would have helped bend the flow and stop the hold up behind us. Yeah. Good. Is there enough room? Go close to your curb. I don't think so. So it might have to be when we move up again. Alright? But just have a little look in your left mirror at the position from the curb. We've got a fair bit. So when they move up, he goes a little more to the right, you go a little more to the left as you've got. What should that mean?
Get space.
We may have enough space, mate, yeah. Any questions with that one, mate? So, have a little look at your left side. Good. Start your creep. Happy now? Good, go on.